Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about OpenCart. OpenCart is an outstanding e-commerce platform that's highly recommended. It has simplified the process of setting up and managing an online store. The user interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to navigate and understand. And one of the things I loved about OpenCart is its flexibility and customization options. The platform offers a wide range of themes and extensions, allowing me to personalize my store and create a unique shopping experience for my customers. Whether it's adding features or integrate third-party services, OpenCart provides the tool to tailor my online store to my specific needs. So let's start a free trial or a demo. You own your open cart, we take care of the rest. Get started. So yeah, you will need to, you don't have an account, you create an account. You just add those informations and you add the password. Now click or touch the puzzle. Okay. Now, so moreover, OpenCart offers excellent support and vibrant community. Whenever I faced any challenge or I had questions, I found a wealthy resource of assistance within the community forum. The developers are instantly updating the platform, adding new features and addressing any issues promptly. So, OpenCart news. Later, you have to add your email so you can get the news. Now let's log in. This is email, not username. But who am I? This. Let's go. Another standout feature of OpenCart is its scalability. Whether I'm running a small boutique store or a large scale enterprise, OpenCart can handle the demand of my business. And it's efficiently managed inventory, track orders, and provide comprehensive reports, allowing me to make informed decisions to grow up my business. You will need to verify the account to access to the web. Now account verified. Why you are doing this to me? Now let's go. So we talked about everything. I didn't show everything. So yeah, please enter 4-digit PIN number to protect your account. This should be, I don't know if it appear or not. Just kidding, it's 1 2 3 4. Okay, that's why I'm changing it. Did I? No. No thanks. New PayPal features, account detail, change password. Those are the settings, I think. Yes, this is your account, purchases, orders, your store. Register your store to access to the marketplace. So here we have your store. You can add store by giving it a domain. So the domain is available, but you will need to pay, I think. Okay, no, you can't view this store because it isn't available. It's called secret and I'm showing it here. So let's go back to the dashboard. I don't think I did it right. The store thing, you will have to grab your store link and put it here. So let's investigate a little with payment methods. We have PayPal and credit card. When it's click the button to add your PayPal account to OpenCart. Please don't ask me to go and verify with my phone number. Let's go. This is my PayPal account if you want to give me any donation. Okay, yeah, they will need a verified account, a verified PayPal account or a business PayPal account. So you can download OpenCart and host your own, open your cloud store or download and host your own. The last version was on April 19 and we are on May 27. So lastly, I appreciate that OpenCart is an open source solution. This means I have complete ownership and control of my store online without any vendor login. It also allows for easy integration with other systems and enable developers to create custom functionality. So you will need to download the app to start. You can't manage your website from here, I think. Download OpenCart, upload file to your servers, run automatic installer. 3 steps, easy. Upload your web server, establish and OpenCart. So this is what is it about. It's an app that help you to manage your online stores, and they accept payment, and we have payment and integration with PayPal, Amazon Payment, Authorize.net, SagePay, and many others. Why I would like to click on visit. Oh no. They have significant achievements, top 10 fastest growing software, top 10 most popular software, top 3 most worthy software, and software reviews leader of 2022. So it has many achievements and many things that consider it good, so you can just create and rely on this website. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.